myself Debuki Basu from Boutique D Design Kolkata have come again with another new video today, and today is the episode for the long awaited episode for on cotton tops, pure 100% cotton tops, long tops. So let's start today's episode, and booking number on screen is there 9163860633. And if you like my today's video, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. First you have to subscribe my channel so that you will get a regular notification our new launches product. You will get the notification first. So let's start the episode. First kurti, this is the first top, I'm sorry, pure 100% cotton tops, short tops, and for the wearing on the jeans or palazzo or wrapper. So this is the first one with the pure 100% wedge printed cotton material, and on that with we have used this ajrak material for the collar and the sleeves to highlight the design. So this design size is 42 size. This design size is 42 size. And another one, I mean the first, this is on my top is size is 50 size. So those who are in plus size also, you can order us, so you will get this kind of short tops. And we have our own tailoring unit, so you can make as your own choice. So this is the next one. This is also pure wedge material with the green, the pista green color, and on that we used for that, I mean the ikat material, black ikat material. This is a design with the highlighted these buttons and cord. Okay, this kurti size available 46 size. This kurti size available 46. This is a one. Here you can get from 40 size to 50 size. So this is a 40 size tops with the black with checks, kantha weave cotton material. So this size available is 40 size. Size available 40 size. And this is the sleeves, 3/4 sleeves. Beautiful for the regular wear purpose. You can opt this kind of dresses for the office wear also. So this is a one. This is a next indigo printed material, pure 100% cotton indigo, and this is a sleeves. This size available is 46 size. Size available 46 size. Next one, this is on wedge printed, another material with the yellow color combination, and with the we have used the green material, green ikat material for the collar and the sleeves. So beautiful piece. And each and every tops, as we have our own tailoring unit, there is a margin inside it where you can it can be increased to 3 to 4 inches. So this kind of margin is there with the interlock and everything. So if you want to alter it, I mean the size alteration plus or minus, so we can do for you with the free of cost. So this kurti, this kurti size is 48 size. This kurti size is 48 size. Next one. This is a printed ajrak material with a bottle green color. I mean the dark bottle green color, and this is a design. Beautiful design collar with here some show buttons are there, and here also this kind of slit is there. Beautiful piece, and size is 42. Size is 42. This is the back portion. Each and every design back portion is this one. Next one. This is also very beautiful color combination. Wedge printed material, cotton wedge printed material, and this is a this size is 46 size. Size is 46 size. Next one, this is in ajrak material. I mean the ajrak printed material with the maroon color, and collar and sleeves we have used another ajrak material, printed material. So this is a entire design. See, this is the entire design. This size is 42 size. Size is 42. Next one, it is also in indigo color combination, and in collar also we used another printed indigo material to highlight the collar, and we have used this kind of show buttons in front. This size is 40 size. This size is 40 size. So each and every tops you can increase up to 40, 44, I mean the 3 to 4 inches, and you can decrease it also. For the length also, we keep the length around 26, 27 length, so that I mean that up to the before knee we have keep this length. So if anyone want to shorten the length, so we can do for you. So today's all tops price is only at 850 rupees. Rupees 850 only, including your courier charge and GST. All over India courier charge. This is absolutely free of cost. Only within Kolkata we have a cash on delivery services with extra charges of 100 to 200 rupees. For booking, you have to WhatsApp me with the screenshot. It's 9163860633 number. Our store location is 51/1 Joduna Tukilo, Poschim Putiari, Kolkata 41, near Netaji Metro Station, Toliganj, Kudghan. Our store timing is Monday to Saturday from 12 noon to 8 p.m. We our courier service available throughout India as well as abroad also. So you can book your product, you can order it for your customized order. We have our own tailoring unit where you can make all kinds of ladies tailoring, from false pico to designer blouse, kurti, wrapper, palazzo, tops, everything we can make for you. Today this much. Hope you will enjoy today's episode. If you like my today's episode, please do like, share, comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Most welcome to visit my store. So let's end today's episode. Hope we will get soon.